And from Lucknow, government primary school teachers apparently being lathi charged in the city after they were demanding a pay revision. Pranshu Mishra joins us on the phone line. Pranshu, more details.
Clearly, Maruf, this entire lathi charge has come on the Teachers' Day, and around thousands of teachers who basically attend to the primary colleges run by the state government. They are known as Shiksha Mits. They were protesting here, and remember, this is a long pending demand of theirs. They are demanding a permanency in job and also a certain degree of pay division, and these were the demands why they had assembled here in Lucknow in front of Vidhan Sabha. And then this entire clash started. These guys, they were initially cordoned off and they were trying to come on the main road, try to block the road, and in that process the struggle started with the security officials there. Initially, the stone pelting was resorted by the demonstrators, and then police lost the stations, and then we can clearly see the way these Shiksha Mits, they were chased out, dragged and beaten by the police force on the streets of Lucknow. So clearly, this was a situation emerging out initially. The way the Shiksha Mits resorted to stone pelting, and then police also behaving in a very extreme way and resorting to heavy lathi charge on thousands of these teachers assembled in front of Vidhan Sabha.
Right, Pranshu, are you getting any details of casualties following the lathi charge?
Well, clearly, see, they were here demonstrating in front of Vidhan Sabha, and their demand was that there should be a pay revision for them. Clearly, this particular section of teachers, they say that they are neglected lot. The state government never pays the proper attention on them, despite the fact that these are the people who work under extreme conditions in the villages and remote areas of Uttar Pradesh. This is a long-pending demand, and this movement, this campaign of the Shiksha Mits, has been going on for more than a year, and this is probably for the second time that they had assembled here in Lucknow in this huge number, and for the second time the way they have struggled and clashed with the police forces. So that was the entire situation. Meanwhile, the situation on the ground is calm. Again, they have been removed from the roads. They have been again pushed to a cordoned off area, and there this entire dharna and sitting is still going on. But yes, on the street, on the main road in front of Vidhan Sabha, the situation is under control.